As you can see here in the kitchen, this light, when you're kind of preparing food, it is very wrong, because when I stand here, it's more like disturbing my eyes. So it's not a good light for working. So I need to change that. Hopefully this will change that. The Philips Hue Flux Strip Light 3 meters base kit, white and color gradient. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money because, as you could see, the light here in the kitchen, not good at all. Let's see what we got here and see how easy it is to set this up. I only know that this Philips Hue Flux is apparently the new version. There were 2 other ones before that they kind of put together as one. And this is the result. I only have Philips Hue here in the apartment as light, apart from this in the kitchen that is like built in the apartment. But I've been thinking about getting some kind of a light here in the kitchen, and to be honest, I didn't really think about the Philips Hue here in the kitchen, and the main reason was Philips Hue is not cheap, in my opinion. It's not cheap at all. But then I started to consider that even if it's not cheap, it has never failed me. And it has been working for me for a few years now, the old lamps. So this is like where the power go in here. Okay, open Philips Hue and scan the code. That is what the user manual tells me to do. Then that is what I'm gonna do. Add new room or zone. This can be a new room then, because this can be the kitchen. Room, kitchen, name, kitchen, add device, scan QR code, next, it found it, turn on the list. Ah, there is a, I don't know if you see it, there's like an arrow here, and on the list, there's an arrow. I don't know if you can see it. There's an arrow there. So, arrow to arrow. Whoa! No, there is a lot of light. Kitchen. This was strong. But the best part is that you can dim down it. And then you can cut it also. Right now it's 3 meters and I need like 180. So you can adjust the lens so it will be more fittable here. Fittable, I don't know if that's a word. And this is the best part that I'm hoping it's gonna work great, is that here in the Philips Hue app you can turn the light, dim it down or dim it up. You cannot do that with the other lamp that is in the kitchen. That's why I bought this one. And what I'm hoping for is, I'm gonna see if I can kind of attach it here, like in the back here. So when it's finished, it will be something like this, but with a more nice way with the cables. Because then I don't need that light, because if I attach this here, like this, or put it down, there's a reflection in the countertop here, this reflection here, then I had to cut it like somewhere here. And there is between the LEDs, I don't know if you can see it, but there is like a line that you can cut for that lens that you need. Since this is 3 meters and there were no shorter ones, and I need like 1.8, I have to cut it for that lens I need. But I think this gonna work out better than the normal light. Yeah, there's a reflection here, so I'm gonna see if I can turn the camera. You can see the reflection I'm talking about. You see that reflection? The strip is pointing down. There's a reflection in the countertop. But if I move the light, so it will like bright light into the wall, to the tiles, there is a reflection, but not at all in the same strength. So it has to be something like this. So I'm gonna show you something. In the app, you have kitchen, and you click on that one, you get this, where you can change the different like temperature in this light. And you can also click that little symbol, click that symbol, and you get color. And as you can see on the light strip, it changes colors. I like this. This is also for me one of the reasons why I buy this expensive light. I'm gonna clean this surface here where it's gonna be attached. And now I'm gonna attach it. And to attach it, you have on the back here, you have like a cover that you pull away from there, and below here you have like glue, so you just remove this and attach it there, and after that it's meant to be that it's gonna sit there. It's the same with this converter. In the bottom of the converter you have this. Also remove it and glue it up. Something like this, and then the rest. I found it where I'm gonna cut it, so I just use the scissor. And again, I'm gonna show you that there is like, I don't know if you see it with the light, there's a line here. And in that line, you also have the graphic with the scissor. So that means you can just cut it there. So, and in the end of the end, you have this plastic cover. You can remove and then attach on that part where you just cut. And now first I'm gonna remove the glue, remove this cover for this glue. Not really glue, but I hope you understand what I mean. I don't find the right word. Put a comment below and tell me, what is the right word? take the transformator. It's a very pilly day today. So something like that. I attach the power supply there, but I'm not gonna do the best work with the cable right now. I'm more gonna collect it. And kind of have it like that. No. So the end results. So let's try it out. So the finished result, this is with the light that belongs to the apartment. And this is with the Philips Hue Flux LED strip light. It was much better. The only thing is that since this is a metal countertop, there is reflection. I don't know how to get rid of that. And if you do, put a comment below and tell me. This is the result. And this is with both lights. I prefer the Philips Hue light. So now the kitchen is a little bit better here. And I don't know if I'm gonna continue with this with the kitchen or not, but put a comment below. What do you think about the result? Do you prefer the old light or this Philips Hue light? Personally, I think I prefer the Philips Hue because it gave me better light. It's with better light like that and not just in your face. So the kitchen start to be finished in this way, at least with this Philips Hue light. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumb up. Thank you so much for joining me here today. My name is Mike. See you in the next video. Take care.